Dubai's various attractions include its shopping options as well. For a lot of people, these are eye candy. Because of their unimaginably high price tags, almost every mall and brand stores have price tags higher than the normal sale prices. But do not worry, we've got you covered. Here are the places you can shop in Dubai and not feel the stress building on your wallet. There are places where you get branded clothes, footwear and accessories at great bargains as long as you know where to look.
The chance to run, leave behind the said and done.
The Outlet Village. This is a place where you'll find great deals on branded products. In this Italian-themed Dubai shopping area, you'll find all the major brands here like Galleries Lafayette, Carolina Herrera, DKNY, Coach, Michael Kors, Roberto Cavalli, Hugo Boss, Rodeo Drive, Nike and many others in here. There are heavy discounts on handbags almost every day of the year and you could pick up branded bags at 50% discount. Party dresses from the last season have their prices slashed to a minimum and you could get trainers too at heavy discounted prices. With its variety of brands and crazy cheap deals, this is a must-go place being a 45-minute cab ride from the city center. Dubai Outlet Mall. This place is dedicated to lifestyle and fashion shopping. Dubai Outlet Mall is famous for receiving last season's stocks from major brands like Harvey Nichols, Boutique One and Bloomingdale's at incredibly slashed prices. This includes a lot of designs from the big names like Stella McCartney, Adidas, Givenchy and Tod's and Wrangler who are running a clearance sale. What better place to go for some cheap shopping in Dubai, right? The interior home decor selection is also very good. If you are obsessed with brands, then this is a place where people come in and get branded clothes and footwear for very less than their price tag. There is also a great selection of home furnishings with slashed prices.
To say the least, so far from a superstar, and my daydreams are killing me. Feel like I'm losing my mind. I'm never feeling okay. Good days are so hard to find. Just help me numb all the pain. One step from dying, my angels keep it at bay. Can't blame the people for trying. fall to my grave.
Retold was opened by founder Son Rollins, to encourage people to purchase and use second-hand clothes instead of spending on brand new outfits. The founder encourages customers to stop following the fast-changing fashion and buy long-lasting and well-made pieces that would go along with the changing surroundings. This is a way to help the planet get greener by just changing our notions about fashion. She has curated second-hand clothes from high street fashion and designer labels in her 3,000 square foot boutique in Al Barsha, Dubai.
Just let me fall to my grave. Heart fails under pressure. Wonder if these bad days will last forever. So pessimistic from the past. All the good things end up in caskets. I'm never feeling okay. Good days are so hard to find. Just help me numb all the pain. I'm one step from dying. My angels keep it at bay.
Brands for less and Chibo. These stores have new trends in clothing updated every now and then at great prices. Chibo is a line of low-priced, great quality clothing from Germany. Chibo is great for binge shopping clothes in case you need a wardrobe makeover.
Just let me fall to my
Clothing lineup for men and women. Looking for value in the options for cheap shopping in Dubai? These are the places to go to.
Just let me fall to my grave.
Garderobe. Luxury brands are something that not everyone can actually afford. But making it available to common masses is the USP of Garderobe. Just like Retold, Garderobe sells pre-owned luxury products from brands like Chanel, Alexander McQueen, Celine and many more at a price tag ranging from 500 Emirati dirhams to 40,135 US dollars to 10,700. Which attracts a lot of customers who know about this place or their website. The products can also be viewed and bought from the website. Since the premier class of Dubai keeps shuffling and renewing their wardrobes every now and then, the Garderobe collection never falls short of different products.